Hi there. If you're a business owner, you may have heard that the Corporate Transparency Act was deemed unconstitutional by a federal court in Alabama. And you're right. You also might be wondering how that case applies to you and your business's obligation to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act. My name is Katherine Taylor. I'm the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to give you my take on the current situation. So, as you may know, the Corporate Transparency Act went into effect on January 1, 2024. On March 1, 2024, a federal trial court in Alabama found that Congress exceeded its powers when it enacted the law, and so it deemed the law unconstitutional. Now, the kicker is that that case, by its own terms, and also by FinCEN. FinCEN has essentially published a little guidance on its take on the case. The case only applies to the plaintiffs in that action, which are one individual business owner and the members of an organization called the National Small Business Association. So if your business isn't a member or wasn't a member as of March 1, 2024 of the National Small Business Association, then that case does not apply to you, meaning that that FinCEN still can enforce the law against you and every other business that's not a member of that business association. So again, what does that mean? Well, we do know that the case has either already been appealed or will be appealed shortly to an intermediate circuit court, federal circuit court, and likely will go to the Supreme Court of the United States. When it gets to the Supreme Court of the United States, the decision by the Supreme Court could well affect every business in the country. So you could be thinking, well, I'm just going to wait. My suggestion is don't wait, because the legal system moves very slowly and it could take a long time before that case gets to the Supreme Court. However, regardless, you still have a certain amount of time to comply with the act. So again, if you're a business that was formed prior to January 1, 2024, you still have until January 1, 2025 to comply. And if you're a new business that was formed on or after January 1, 2024, you have 90 days to comply. So my suggestion again is, unless you're a member of the National Small Business Association, comply with the act and wait to see what happens with the Supreme Court decision if it gets that far. As always, you can call us if you have any questions. Our contact information is below. Thank you.